To start an IONIC project, we will need Node.js. To do this, we need to install it. We go directly to the official website of Node.js. We are redirected to this page where we have as a message download for macOS. Indeed, I use a Mac. You can also use an operating system under Linux or Windows. You will have directly the conversation with the links, the LTS redirected according to your system. So we actually take the LTS, we click on it. So there you go. Once it's downloaded, we go to the package. We have the installation protocol, the introduction, continue. If you need to read the license, I will let you read it. We accept. The destination is perfect, and we install. I have a small security system. I enter my password. Here we go. The installation is quite fast. We will also check if the system is well installed in our computer. To do this, we're going to ask the command that will allow us to know whether or not it's well installed. So we type version command Node.js. We go to see the doc. I take the first one. We read a little bit, we scroll, and here we have a command here. You can copy the command if you need to. We will go to the terminal, paste, and there you go. I have the answer that I have the version 16.14.0, so we have not installed. Remember that Node.js is not a server or a framework. It's just a JavaScript execution environment that can be used to write server-side services called API, Application Programming Interface. It's an alternative to the server languages like PHP or many others.